Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, Jessica here, and I'm so excited to take you on a walking tour of Angr dos Reis, one of Brazil's most beautiful beach destinations. I'm starting my journey at the Prainha beach and will take you along the coastal path, showing you some of the best sights this incredible place has to offer. From crystal clear turquoise waters to breathtaking views, I'm exploring the beauty of Angr dos Reis to the fullest. If you like this video, make sure you like and comment, as it really helps my channel and I get to bring more of these amazing tours to you. Let me know what you think and which destinations you'd like to see next. This area is famous for its crystal clear turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and numerous islands. As I continue my tour, I'm headed for the Conceição da Barra beach, where I'll take a short break to admire the stunning views, relax on the beach, and even swim a bit. On the way, I'm passing a beautiful hill, which offers rolling waves, rock formations, and panoramic views of the islands and ocean. I'm taking it all in, as I'm just one step closer to my next destination, Angra Negro Beach. This beach is located across the islands and is home to lush vegetation and colorful birds. From here, I can also spot the island of Ilha Grande and the ocean beyond, adding to the idyllic scenery of the surroundings. I'm moving onward to the São Francisco beach and have to say, it's even more beautiful than the other beaches. A perfect paradise that's all to myself, with calm waters and a gentle, tranquil atmosphere. And finally, making my way to my last beach, the Brava Beach. What a wonderful journey. If you enjoyed this virtual tour of Angr dos Reis beaches, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. And if you'd like to see more of my walking tours, subscribe to my channel and join me on my next journey.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.